Do you play hockey?
Nope.
Are you sure you're Canadian?
I'm pretty goddamn sure.
Do you like maple syrup?
What, are you trying to go off of all the stereotypes from Canada?
Yes.
What the fuck?
What did I miss? I was grabbing another cigarette.
You missed pretty much racism though.
Oh.
He's a stereotype.
I
Oh.
just asked if he likes maple syrup.
Maple syrup? I like maple syrup.
But you're
We
not
had-
Canadian.
We had maple trees in Ohio, though. I'll tell you.
Well, Ohio is pretty close to Canada, right?
Has anyone
It
played,
is.
Has anyone played GTA 4?
No, I have not. I have played GTA 3, I believe. Maybe
I
I did
have
play 4.
GTA
When was
5
4?
on my PS4.
No, 4. The
When was 4?
okay.
What generation?
GTA 4?
Yeah, what generation of PS console was that?
3.
3. Okay, so computer was like 4 years ago?
2000.
Okay. I don't know. I may have played it, bro, but I know I definitely played 3.
I've stumbled upon a glitch that is similar to that of the Twist.
Nice.
Do you know that glitch or no?
No, I do not.
Basically, in GTA 4, there was a swing set that was glitched, and if you push your car up one of the poles, it'll actually slingshot you across the map.
Nice.
Well, not slingshot, but it'll launch you across the map.
Hey, have you ever played the Just Cause series? Any of those Just Cause games? Did you like them? I liked them. I'm just asking if you did. You don't have to. You can say no.
I have no idea what you said. Oh, Just Cause? Yeah, I
Yeah.
played them.
Yeah, but did you like them?
They're fun games.
They are fun. It's kind of like GTA. That's why I'm asking. Like a little bit like it. I think I played part 2 last. I think I played 1 and 2.
I've only played Just Cause 2.
Is that the one with the Chinese guys? The Chinese Empire?
I don't think so.
I used to love fucking stealing motorcycles, man. That fucking like it was almost like a Harley, but it wasn't. I forget what it was called. How about you, Cole? Do you ever play Just Cause? I know that was on console too. No answer. Must be AFK. Son of a bitch, this game isn't going well.
Oh, there it is. There's the swing set.
What'd you do? Did you get through that? Did you go back to that course? Obstacle course or whatever.
No, I... Seems like they keep
I am in a precarious position.
What position?
Precarious.
Precarious.
Yes.
Precarious. Precarious?
Precarious.
That means like in a bad position, right?
Pretty much.
Yeah. Okay. I've actually, like, I know the word, but I've never heard it from American or English native speaker.
No, a lot of people don't use that word. It's too big for them.
big words for it.
But you're a big guy, so it's okay.
Oh, what the fuck?
I am a big guy, but thank you. Yeah. Sorry.
How tall you are?
I'm not tall. I'm just stout.
Just tell me.
Somebody, just trying to grab you.
I don't know, but like, you seem to be. You seem to be scared, or I don't know, like freaked out that I'm asking him about the height and stuff. Like, it's pretty normal to compliment or ask a guy if you're a guy. You can still be straight, you know.
No, it's okay, man. It's just, you know, it's like, it's just not a normal question, bro.
So, how high are you?
Pretty fucking high.
No officer is high. How are you? I'm just gonna post that to chat. Wait.
All I know is I put my derp gun on, yeah. Put my derp gun on my T20. No, man, I'm 5'6", bro.
It's really short, actually.
But I'm stout. I mean, like I used to be a bodybuilder back in high school, man. And I weighed 140 pounds and I was pressing 260. So I haven't worked out for a long time, but you still keep a lot of that. I mean, it doesn't like go away totally.
Hellhound, here you go in a chat.
It's in my genetics, man. My dad was a big dude, so you know, like, just I was born muscular, man. The funny thing was I got made fun of in like elementary school because I started going through like puberty early, so like my chest started developing like big time, like, you know what I mean, like, so now, no, like, I got a big ass chest, man. Like, I mean, like, it's wide and fucking, like, if I get hit in my chest, I'm just gonna laugh at you pretty much. That's what's gonna happen.
So you are like 5.6, you said?
Yeah.
Oh god, I'm 5.4.
And now now I weigh 165 pounds, but back in the day it was only 140. So I don't fucking do anything now though. And I'm not fat. It's all fucking. It's left over. It never goes away, man. It's just if I started working out again, dude, it would only take me probably, I don't know, 6 months to get back where I was, in all honesty. And that was over 3 years of fucking. I mean, I trained and trained and trained.
I'm 6'1".
Well,
I was
that's
gonna
all
say
right.
something, but then I realized that it would be racist.
You would have made a good swimmer, dude. Like in high school, I was on the swim team, so dude, I was in such good shape when I was in high school. Man. I was on the
Me
swim
too.
team. I was a
Maybe
bodybuilder.
I still play hockey though.
I had the cheerleader girlfriend, the athlete girlfriend, you know. Not really because she was Catholic. No, she was Catholic. Wasn't really. She wasn't snobby, but her parents were. Her parents didn't like me ever, dude. Like from the start. And we were together for like 3.5 years, man. And her parents are what fucked it all up for us, I think, dude. Honestly.
I'm hungry.
I was so pissed off, dude. I was like, yeah. But whatever, you know.
Chris, do you tend to be hungry when you're high?
Not anymore. I used to. Only when you first, like, I don't know. It doesn't really make me hungry anymore, man. It used to, but now I don't. I tend to tone out hunger, dude. Like that's just a feeling that I only eat once a day, man. And I think it's better for my body, in all honesty. So, like with all the shit they put in food anymore. So it's like I don't know, man. Like I've been doing this shit for like 16 years like this, man, and I just tone it out anymore. Like there was a time in my life where I was really hungry, like I don't know, not like really hungry, but I was hungry. Like, you know, like I was living by
I don't know.
myself.
When I
Like
was 20, I used to be hungry, but now when I'm almost 40, I never eat.
no, 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 no. I mean, like, I lived in Tampa for like 6 months when I was 18. Or while I was 18 and a half, I just turned 19 while I was here. So it was like, I don't know, like I worked like 80 hours a week and I burned myself out and I wanted to take a little time off work. And they fucking like were assholes about it, kinda. Like I was doing security at the time, man. And it was like people would call off work and I'd go fill in places and things like that, you know what I mean? As well as having a regular like posting, like I was at a mall actually in Tampa. But I just got burnt out, man, and I was just like, hey, you know, like I got this karaoke DJ gig,
what the fuck?
right? Well,
What?
wait, I was doing my security job along with it, and I was like, hey, listen, guys, I just need one day off a week. Like, I just need this day off. And I was making like in 4 hours, I was making $120. And I was like, I just need this day off, you know. And so I took that. They're like, okay, and I took that day off, and then they fucking were assholes to me and stopped scheduling me places and shit. I was like so pissed off about that. I'm like, you know, I fucking did all this fucking shit, and
That's when you go shove your foot up their ass and just ask them
well,
what the fuck.
pretty much like that's. I just told them to fuck off, right? You know.
Whoa.